Hi traders, once again we are at this area of trading. Today we are going to talk about another Australian dollar USD. Okay, here we have on a resistance area. Let's put a line here. This is the highest point which the market has touched in so far. Okay, so let's look to the left to see what makes that market to return, because there must be something that returns the market. Don't forget, these are the things you go and check. Identifying key levels of support and resistance. That's what we're going to talk about today. Okay, so now we're in daily chart to see why that market reverse. Wow, definitely you can see that touch. Okay, even in the past market reversed from that same area. Wow, you can see market was moving around that area. At the end of the day, when it got to the front, it did the same thing. Okay, so since one line market has done this, so definitely it will repeat itself in the future, which it did just recently. So that's what make the market to go so low. I mean, that's what made the market drop from that area of 0.7963, I think. All right, 68. So now today let's talk about, but before then let's see how many pips we are able to, if we are in this market, how many people are able to get. 314 pips. Wow, this is great. Even with two candles, with two daily candles, you can get up to 300 pips. Okay, just 2 days. Wow, this is great. All right, so that's out and one way to trade, identify key level of support. Now in today's recent market, what is going on right now? So our bullish resistance, you can see we can there's a confirmation and bullish trend. So let's go to 4 hours and see what is happening there. All right, now looking closely. Okay, let's zoom out. Yeah, zooming out right now, you can see that 3 touches on the resistance line, our trend line. You can see, all right, that same touches happen again at the support here. Okay, the market went down as if it's going to break, reverse back, went down the second time, the third time, now it's going back up. Okay, what's happening right now? We're checking what happened previously, how a key level of support and resistance was broken, and people take advantage of that. You can see the break of structure over there, right? You can see the bullish bearish trend. Okay, then there's a break, and look at how far it went, okay, before reversing. So these are the ways to identify the key level of support and resistance. Now let's come to our recent new market. Now see how you can take advantage of what is happening right now in the market. Okay, you can see what is happening before. Okay, we're emphasizing on it, and you can take most advantage of that. Okay, now you can see we have a higher high, lower high, a lower low. Higher high, because the trend has changed. A lower low. Okay, all right, a lower low here. But will it still go down? How do we know if it's going to go down? Why I'm not going to trade this trade, and I'm not going to sell this market, is because we are the support. Even though the market is forming a lower high and lower low, we are the support right now. So, and again, if you look closely, you will see that the market retraces this line I just put here. The market retest it. Does it mean that if as the market retraces it can come down? Definitely possible. But why I'm not going to sell is that market has gotten to my bullish trend line several times, almost 3 times, and has reversed on it 4 hours candle. Okay, so that's why I'm not selling this market. Right now you can see the lower high, lower low, but I can't sell this market. All right, from this top down, lower low, lower high. No, can't sell this market because of this support area. Can't sell it. So definitely, let's see what will happen if we can break this resistance area. Okay, then we can now plan to buy this market. So let's see if we can break this resistance, then we can buy this market. All right, so let's put the line. Okay, this is the line right now. Okay, with this line, if the market is able to break this, we have two confirmation line, the bearish trend line and the resistance line, okay, meeting at the same spot. Okay, so if the market can break that strong area of confluence where two lines meet, you can see the trend line and the resistance line. So wow, you can see the market has broken it. Okay, because I have to record this video and again wait for some hours, then come back. Sometimes it's hours, maybe the next day. But now the market has broken what we are talking about. See what we are talking about. The reason why I do this video, for you to understand before the trade, so that you know that this is real. You too can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay, and again you can see there's a why I can't sell this market is that we have a price action here, which is a head and shoulder. Okay, there's a head and there's a two shoulder there. All right, so telling us the market can go up from this area. So let's see what will happen if the market will go up from this area. Let's place our long buying targets. Okay, let's see. Okay, we can target that Shopee area or go up, because that Shopee area, the market can reverse from that side. So let's target like 116 pips or below. So what we do, and our stop loss will be below the previous low, because the market has broken the trend line already. So now we are going to enter like 4 trades. Some trade, it depends on your account. Traders don't just enter 4 trade if your account cannot carry it and the percentage you are using cannot carry it. Don't try it. So let's wait and see the result and outcome. But before then, let's say hey, the market can reverse from that because of that Shopee area. That's about 70, 60 something pips. The market can reverse from that area too, or go to our targets. Is in 2 ways. So let's wait and see what will happen at the end of this trade. Yeah, so I was saying something. So try and don't do copycat. Wow, see, wow, we are in profit. We are in profit. Okay, this is high probability trade, because you can see the market just goes straight to profit. Why? Because we waited, we analyzed, and we see a confirmation of a break in the structure. We identify our key level of support and resistance. It was broken. So wow, this is great. So we are in profit right now, but we have not hit target. You know, I told you that Shopee area the market can go. So we have already taken our first profit. Okay, so we'll allow the rest to run. Now I told you I enter 4 trades, so allow the rest to run. I've taken 2, remain 2. Right, so if these 2 come to break even, well, I've made what I'm gonna make in the market. So this is how you analyze your or identify your key level of support. And if you can identify those key level of support and resistance, there's no way you cannot make profit in this market. The support and resistance is the area whereby when the market get there, it could reverse back, or it could turn back, or it could break. Right, in this sense, the market break our resistance area, and after we saw the confirmation of break, the market did retest. We enter buy, and look at that red candle. That was the retest candle. Then we buy, and what happened? We're in profit. So this is how to identify your key level of support and resistance. So as a trader, these are very important. Okay, first of all, go to your daily chart, see the trend, see where the market has gone to, see where it's presently. Okay, see the kind of trend you are, maybe bullish trend or bearish trend. All right, then look at the present situation, which we did look the market come to that high and break it. Why? And then did not break and retest down. Why did it retest? We look back to our daily chart back and we saw the reason why the market retested at that point of resistance. The market come to that same area in the future and reverse. Okay, even that same reversal area, you can take advantage of that, about close to 314 pips, and take advantage of that to sell. All right, so but after selling, you discover that the market has been tapping one area for about 3 times. We now place our our bullish trend line, okay, which we did, and in at the third touch it gave us head and shoulder, which we are looking at right now, the head and shoulder pattern. Right, and look at right now the market almost close to our test point and reverse back, so we're breaking us even. So traders, this is how to spot your entries, key level of support and resistance, which eventually will give you profit at the end of the day. Okay, at least with this, okay, you are good to go. It's not every time you win everything. We have 1 2 trade, the second one 2 trade were break even, we are still in profit. So definitely I'm not trying to go back to this trade. I'm done for